Okay, welcome to the presentation of my app that is called PlaceMark, and it has been developed with the Svelte kit as opposed to what I did in the first assignment with Happy.js backend. So I decided to focus on the front end in this case. I will quickly go through the rubric. So I was able to achieve the single chart. It was added to the category page at first, and then I developed another chart next to it, and it gets updated every time that the PlaceMark is added, like automatically, and also when it gets deleted without having to refresh the page. And didn't achieve anything like in terms of Apache e-charts or trends and projection. Each PlaceMark, each category, will show a map. So that map will be full of marks, of place marks that have been added to that category. So the hierarchy will be category and then place marks. And also there is a map for each category, if we mean like by map layers based on categories. If we mean that we need to have a map for each category, it's something that I was able to achieve on each category. So we have a map with place marks belonging to that specific category. So we have several maps. And also on the category page we have several maps, because I was able to basically have each PlaceMark show a map specific of that PlaceMark. And weather conditions as well. I have a landing page for each PlaceMark that will show a widget with data of the weather condition of that specific PlaceMark. There are, I was able to achieve, but there is a caveat here, the single images per point of interest. That would be PlaceMark in my case. I was able also to have the feature delete image working, but as I said, there is a caveat. Fortunately, it works only on the local host. For some reason, render, the backend that is on render, there is something that basically prevents the communication, the posting from front end to back end of the image uploads and delete functions. And then multiple images for the PlaceMarks. Yes, I was able to achieve that in the local host. I can upload several images and also create a sort of image gallery that I will be showing soon. I operated some sort of sanitization of input and output as reported in here, and also the pages were first built out with Svelte, and then I introduced Svelte kit and created a hierarchy that is shown in here. So this is the hierarchy that I have. So in here you will see there are the services in the lib folder, and then all the components in here in the UI folder, and in here there are the routes. So these are all the pages that I have, like you see, category, account, about. PlaceMark is inside the category, separated by the IDs. There is the dashboard, lifestyle, etc. But let's jump to the demo of the app itself. So this is the app. Let's get started by logging in. I will use this other one, this email in here. So I will be logging in. I won't show you the sign up, which works, but just for the time that we have available. So these are the categories in here. I can also delete one category very quickly. It shows very like we don't need to refresh. I cannot add a category that has been added already. As you can see, there is a mechanism that prevents me from doing that because we only want to show 4 categories. It must be specific. So I go ahead and add, for instance, beach. There you go, beach has been added, and from beach here I can add a, as you can see, the map shows nothing, there is the chart shows nothing, and then I can actually add a PlaceMark in here that I have in here already. Let's say we go with Santa Monica Beach, and I have all the data in here. So just to be quick, I will try to add the geo coordinates, etc. These are real geo coordinates, by the way. This is the address, this is the phone number. Okay, here we can select country, United States of America. There is the website. In here, let's say that we have not visited yet, which is true. I've never visited this place. And here we have the description. Okay, like if you can see that everything is sanitized, there are messages, etc. I won't have time to show everything, but there you go. I will add the PlaceMark right now. As you can see, it has been added to the map. It's in here, right? And there is the chart, United States, number 1, etc. And there is this map here as well. This is specific. That means if I test by adding another one, random PlaceMark, like this one, just putting some random stuff in here. Let's say, okay, it doesn't matter if I put a website or if I put letters or whatever, just some random content in here just to meet the requirements. Let's go ahead. We add another one. We have added this one, right? It says Andorra. Of course it's not Andorra. We have the stats here working perfectly, and now there are the charts here working, and there we go. We have the 2 PlaceMarks with different maps, individual maps, let's say. I can also delete them, so I can delete this one, as you can see, and it goes back to Santa Monica as the only one right now. But I can also see there are other categories, and it will show different PlaceMark. Museo del Prado in here, Crawford Art Gallery, so this is in Spain, Museo del Prado in Madrid, and then I have the Crawford Art Gallery that is actually in Cork, right? And Ireland, Spain, blah blah blah. And the restaurants, I have one that is in Japan. There you go. And I can open the landing page, the PlaceMark landing page. Here you can see the widget with weather data. And if I scroll down, here there is my gallery. Now what happens? For some reason, this won't work live. And I will show you. I just go with some random pics that I have in here. I will try to add one image that is already there again. There is the preview, etc. When I try to upload, for some reason it won't work here. But that is why I want to show you that it works in lower environment. In the local host, you will see if I go to Santa Monica Beach again, it's this one. I will try to add another photo of Santa Monica, well, a duplicate, let's say. I go in here, I try to add it, and there you go. And if I want to add another one, no problem. I can go with this one again, I will add it, and there you go. And I can also delete it. like that. So for some reason it works in here, it doesn't work in the production environment, sorry. You can also have you have the account page with all the data of the account user, and also you can go back to the category from the account. So in here, you see, you'll be able, beaches, you see, it goes back to Santa Monica, and blah blah blah. All the stats work, as you can see. And what else? Yeah, here you have also when the account has been created, you can log out, it works perfectly. The sign up is in here. You can also show very quickly that this one works very quickly. Yep, it doesn't matter what I put in here. Blah blah blah. Another random email like this, like this. There you go. It's we are in. If I remember the email, is, I think it was. Yeah, it was this one. And there we go. We are in. See. Thank you.